Now let's create my first React app. So the name of project is my first React app. I go to my local machine. I go to 3D, create one folder called React app. I open Visual Studio Code and then I go to File, open that folder, 3D, React app. Then I go to Terminal, New Terminal. I use npx command to create the React app. So npx create React apps. So my app name is my first React apps. Enter it. As I explained you in the previous videos about when you create use npx at the first time, it will ask you to install the create React apps. So you just uh, follow the instruction, press Y and then enter it. It will install the create React apps. So in this case, I have already installed it. So you just see like this. I can use npx create React app directly, not asking for install anymore. So now we're waiting until it's finished. It finished now. So I switch to my project is cd dot my first React apps. Okay. Then I use npm start. This is the React apps project. You can see, and you can change this string in here. Okay, you go to Visual Codes and we go to soc app.js and then I delete this. I change it to hello. This is my first React apps. When you type like this, it will update automatically after you save. Okay, you can see here it's update automatically. So this is our first app. Thank you for watching.